let's take a look at the Enterprise Exotic collection here. We've got a Lamborghini convertible. We've got a Jaguar SVR. Got a Maserati, two of them here. And a BMW that might be I'm guessing it's probably a 7 or a 5 Series. Another Maserati. Actually, I think that one was a 5. This is looking like a 7 Series BMW. Got a Mercedes convertible. A 2-door BMW convertible. And a 7 Series BMW. And if we just kind of spin around to the other side here, Enterprise, this looks like more of the exotics. 2 more BMWs here. We got a Range Rover. And we got a Porsche. 2 more Range Rovers. And we got a Maserati SUV. And we got a Cadillac Escalade, one of the older ones. Actually, I'm going to keep it rolling here just so you can get a sense of the whole airport area here. Just in behind here, we're going to go through Enterprise. And we'll just walk through, quickly go over the exotic section again. And we've got a couple BMWs over there. We've got a Porsche, Range Rover. And we've got another Porsche on the end. BMW convertible, Mercedes, BMW, Maserati, another Mercedes. I got a Porsche, Maserati, Jaguar, and that Lamborghini that's always parked at the end. Mercedes, Cadillac, Maserati SUV here. And now if we go through to the other side here, got a BMW Z4. And as you can see, this side's pretty empty. And Enterprise doesn't really have not a lot of parking for cars. You can see some of the smaller cars here. Got a Jeep, Nissan, VW, Hyundai, Kia. Looks like maybe a Corolla, yeah. And a Hyundai. And they've got a couple more parked in here. And they haven't got many cars in general. Enterprise doesn't really seem to set them off by section or anything. They just kind of park them wherever. So there's 3 convertibles, 2 Mustang convertibles, a Chevy V6 Camaro convertible, a couple older minivans, and a bunch of minivans there. And that's pretty much it for Enterprise. Yeah, it's just a BMW coming through here. Looks like he's going to park over here. This, this Z4 looks nice. I wouldn't mind trying that sometime. It's looking pretty new. All right, let's do a quick update of Enterprise Exotics. We got a Lamborghini, Corvette C7 black convertible, Mercedes, 2 Maseratis, BMW convertible. This, I'm willing to bet this is looking pretty similar to my last video, but we'll just add it in here anyway. 7 Series BMW, Jaguar convertible, smaller BMW convertible, and we got another Maserati at the end. And spin around here, we got another Maserati SUV, Range Rover, another Maserati sedan, got a Porsche SUV, Range Rover, and we got one of these Mercedes SUVs here. Let me just catch the names of these. I'll get the hang of it eventually here. Okay, so this is the this is the G-Wagon, the 550. Looks like everything's all blacked out on that. Looks nice. The Range Rover Sport, Cayenne. I'm gonna get these Porsche SUVs. I've got to get the names sorted out on those. Okay, and other side here, got an Escalade, the older one. Bunch of large SUVs here. And a couple BMWs, Range Rovers, And this is just general enterprise cars here, so everything from Malibu, Challenger Hemi, a couple smaller sedans, smaller SUVs, looks like a Mazda 6, a bunch of sedans, a couple smaller ones here. Other side they got a bunch of convertibles, Mustang convertibles, and looks like they got, well actually we'll go around here. These are all the EcoBoost convertibles. And down there, oh, they got a bunch of Miatas down there. And there's one Camaro SS mixed in here, red like the other one, red seats. And a couple minivans at Enterprise. Those, I haven't seen any new Camaros, so those are all higher mileage. And we got a couple of Miatas here. Sometimes these actually show up in the National Executive aisle as well. And I think, sorry for the fan noise here, I think we'll wrap things up for National, Enterprise, and Alamo. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's no cost to it, and as soon as I can get up to 1,000 subscribers, it kind of opens up the doors to a couple more things for the channel. We can start to do live streams and a couple other things. And if you want to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like button too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.